Okay, it's not a nice place to work. It's really hot right now, super hot. As you see, I got something on my head because I'm burning right now. Anyway, these guys, on the other hand, are building our sign. So 4 meters by 3 meters, and they're putting it here, right below. Okay, success. We've got our big sign up here. See the nice murals they put on the wall here of the zoo. Anyway, this place is really busy normally. Right now it seems like it's not. Maybe because it's a Monday. Hello bang, berapa orang depan saya? Satu? Bagus. Alright. Before and after. Hello, welcome to Vicarious Indonesia. Please subscribe, like, share, and troll. Okay guys, we're working at our new location because the neighbors don't like our noise. They've already put up with us too long, which I can understand. But poor people like us have to find options. Right now, we're trying to get this back windshield installed again. It's just tacked up in place temporarily, so that we can get the axel or hinges installed. So they're finding the position for this. Okay. Trying to get a lot done today because I don't want to work out here too long. I'd rather be working on something else. Okay, saya mau matching, you know?
Matching.
Yeah.
Udah minum dingin lah lu.
Yeah.
Aus.
Ya, hati-hati. Ini harus matching ini semua ya.
Ya, saya aus.
Ya. Betul.
Aus saya.
Ya, oke ya. Mau video dulu nanti beli ice cream. Sayangku. Sayangku. Assalamualaikum. Okay, it's not a nice place to work. It's really hot right now, super hot. As you see, I got something on my head because I'm burning right now. Anyway, these guys, on the other hand, are building our sign. So 4 meters by 3 meters, and they're putting it here, right below. It's really awesome. So, wow. Ini apa? Ikan. Wow. Banyak ikan. Fixing the motorcycle. Anyway, we have our giant banner that's gonna go up here. Hopefully that's very helpful. Alright guys, I gotta go catch a motorcycle. Oh, life is not ideal when you don't have your own land, because it disturbs everyone when you try to do some kind of projects like this, whether it be woodworking or metalworking or auto repair. So anyway guys, we're here at 7 Stars Academy. We got super good electricity, hence that's why we're working here. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later after I go buy some drinks, cold drinks. Okay, hello. Anyway, they're getting this done here, which is great. Ya, nanti membuat di sini juga. Ini dulu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna make this box here, then we're gonna make this one. He's fixing that. So anyway, success is really ugly right now, but remember, this is just the bones, and we're getting this all fixed up nice. rack ini buka, bisa terus atau axel itu problem besi untuk ketika kamu buka rack ke 6 meter ada 1, oke, bagus. Samping ya, samping.
Makanya axel di tengah kan buat, nggak di sudut.
Oke.
Dekirnya nyangkut tap.
India bagus.
Dekirnya nyangkut axelnya. Iya, makanya tadi kan.
Oke, bagus sekali. Nanti kita harus install kursi 2, potong kaki di bawah harus kuat ya. Potong. Ya, kaki kursi.
Kaki dia potong.
Kaki jarinya goreng
jari.
ya, pakai las. Ya, enak. Okay, I need something to drink. I'm thirsty, but I'm happy with the progress. Yeah, let's take a look at the sign. The sign looks like it's finished pretty much. So, membakar uangmu bagus. Okay, look at that, almost finished. Excellent. Then they have to get it up there, which they're renting some kind of lift or something. The whole price is like $60 with install, which they're really kind to us to get that price. So, all right, guys, I will catch you later. Progress. Looking here on the top, we got this first hinge on a little bit. We'll be getting the back door on hopefully later today. Getting these toolboxes built. We had to change locations because our neighbors are tired of us making so much racket and noise and everything. That looks like a giant brake shoe or something. What is that? I don't know what that's doing there. Anyway, yeah, Mr. India. We need to take these brackets in. Maybe we'll install the brackets. They've just got our sign built. So panas, yeah. Get the sign built, and gonna have to put it up there. 4 meters by 3 meters. It's gonna be a big banner there explaining what we are, because no one knows what we are. Seven Stars Academy is what? So we want them to pretty much know the same information as you see here. This information here, but we need it big because if we put this one up, it's way too small. They can't really see anything from the road that far away. Impossible to read that. So that's what we're working on now. They did a good job following my design instructions. Pretty close, not exactly, but it's good enough. It's functioning correctly. Okay. So we got, I don't know if you can see clearly from here, but we've got a roof rack started. It's expandable because I want to be able to carry roofing, which is 6 meters long. So this is 3.5 meters, and then
Mana pat? Pat kayu mana pat kayu? Nggak tahu. Coba tengok di sini. Di dalam.
getting the other hinge here installed, like this one. All right. progress. Okay, we got our sign up here. Finally. Hello guys. Here's our bus. We're working on that here. Probably the total cost of this is like $125, everything said and done, which is a lot of money for us, probably for you guys too, but also it's not that much, so it's a blessing. Finally fully installed. Look at our ladder, not good quality, but it works. Anyway, it's good news. Let's see how far we can read. It's going to be different for you guys because you're in the camera, you're seeing it from the camera view. Belajar bahasa Inggris dengan Guru Amerika. Yeah, I can read this quite clearly. So it's easier, I think, for me to read it than for you guys. So I think we're successful. So this is good. Today we're gonna go and get the best haircut in the world, at least in my opinion. It's my favorite barber. Really high quality and really good price. So I've had haircuts in Africa, in the United States, in Indonesia, and the Philippines, around the world, but you'll be surprised here in Indonesia, the best barber exists. Okay, we're on our way to Jalan Maiden here from my house. We're going to take the Angkot, our public minibus transportation, public transportation, and we're going to go into the city, and at the end of the road called Merdeka, Jalan Merdeka, we're going to walk from there to our haircut. So let's go catch one of these little buses like we see in front of us. Okay, now we've made it into the Angkot, passing formerly known Hotel Horizon, but it's now the Grand Zuri. And it'll be a few minutes before we get to our destination. Okay, we're walking next to the zoo here, and we're gonna take our right and go in front of the zoo. We're in Siantar, of course. Grand Palm Hotel. Anyway, gonna cross this busy street as we get closer to Jalan Enggang. Here's a tire repair shop. Gotta learn how to hold my camera this way. I'm used to using a Motorola cell phone that I can hold it straight up and down and it'll give me the wide angle, but I have to hold my phone this way to get the wide angle. Anyway, you can see the nice murals they put on the wall here of the zoo. Anyway, this place is really busy normally. Right now it seems like it's not, maybe because it's a Monday. Weekend it's super busy. Here's the bus, same model as ours, so much prettier, but maybe ours will look nice soon. Another one. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. It's not about the journey, it's about the haircut. Alright, bye. We're on our way to the barber shop. We're almost there. Past the local masjid. Sorry about the stabilization, I don't know how stable it is. with me walking. Hello. Anyway, we'll see if they're open. Sometimes they're open late. I see some motorcycles. Are some people ahead of me? Maybe so. Last time there were 4 people ahead of me, so I had to go back because it takes like 3 hours waiting. So with high quality service, have to be patient. It looks like there's the same amount of people here. It's driving me crazy. Yeah. Halo bang, berapa orang depan saya? 1? Bagus. Alright. Before and after. Okay guys, I finished my haircut. What do you think? I think it's great. And I don't have any razor burn or irritated skin, so I'll catch you guys later. Hi, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and troll.